Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making a homemade Pico de Gallo. This salsa is so good on eggs or with tacos, as I'm going to be making tonight. I've actually used this recipe a bunch for other videos, but I've been asked to single it out and just make it one whole video. So let's get started. To start with, I have 3 chopped tomatoes. I'm just going to add into my main bowl. I have half a bunch of chopped cilantro, 1 small red onion, and then I have 2 minced Serrano peppers. Be careful, these ones are very hot. I scratched my nose after I chopped them, and I'm in a little pain right now, if I'm being honest. Okay, and then I will add as well the juice of 1 lime. This should be about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Also, you can use lemon if you don't have lime. It's up to you. All right, and the last thing we're going to add in is salt to taste. All right, and then we can just mix it up. Let me grab a spoon. And you can't have salsa without chips, right? And if you're looking for a healthier option, as great as chips are, I like wrapping it in collard greens. It's not the same as a chip, but it's close. So delicious, so fresh. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like my videos, please share them with a friend.